So the Reggae Boys are off on this unique too much tour of Turkey. Exhibition practice game against a club team and then a non-FIFA date friendly against South Korea. But even as we wish the 20 players and 12 officials good luck and tell them to go and eat some turkey, the Mavericks' brain been working overtime, reflecting on the fact that the Reggae Boys have not played a friendly international or a practice game at the National Stadium in over 5 years. So the home turf of the Reggae Boys, once known as the office, and outside of a few disastrous World Cup qualifiers, the national team basically has not played on their home turf for over half a decade. And despite all the talk about the next FIFA date, it not going to happen because the National Stadium will be busy with boys and girls champs the weekend of the next FIFA date. So again, the question is, how the devil the JFF expect to attract local corporate sponsorship when the team don't play in Jamaica? How the sponsors will connect their products and their services to the Jamaican population if the Jamaican population is disconnected from the team? Not to mention the fans themselves. Rennie Samuels taught us the value of the 12th man in football. But right now, it looks like instead of Jamaica having 11 plus the 12th man, we're down to 10. Yes, yes, we are playing short. Yes, yes. Jamaica, no. It's not me short. It's the Reggae Boys are playing short. No, the Maverick not short. The Maverick dance. The Maverick dance. The Reggae Boys short, but the Maverick dance.